Hello friends, this video is on Kalsarpa Yoga and how to break the yoga. If you are new to my channel, then do subscribe so that you will get latest notification regarding my video uploads. Kalsarpa Yoga. How this yoga is formed? When all the planets are in between Rahu and Ketu, then this yoga will form. Presently, Rahu is in Gemini sign and Ketu is in Sagittarius sign, and all the planets are in between Rahu and Ketu. Mars, Saturn and Jupiter are in Capricorn, Mercury is in Aquarius, Sun is in Pisces, Venus is in Taurus. So all the planets are in between Rahu and Ketu. Moon is the only planet who is actually breaking this yoga for 15 days. So from Sagittarius to Gemini, this yoga is formed when Moon is between Sagittarius to Gemini. So what is this yoga? This is the yoga of illusion. It is the illusion of mind. Because Rahu and Ketu creates this illusion and the bondage of soul. If it is formed between first and seventh house axis, then our life is bonded in the first and seventh house related matter. That is fame, name, reputation, character, aspiration, relationship, partnership. If it is formed between second and eighth axis, then our life is bonded in between wealth, family, debts, diseases, inheritance. If it is formed in the third and ninth house axis, then the bondage is towards strife, aggression, higher knowledge, world views, education. If it is forming in 4th and 10th house, then the bondage is home, property, happiness, work, profession, position. If it is forming in 5th and 11th house axis, then the bondage is in between children, subordinates, supporters, gains, future planning. If it is happening in the 6th and 12th house axis, then it is debt, diseases, loans, cure from diseases, jail, isolation. So this is the formation of yoga between first 7th house axis to 6th 12th house axis. So by making or by the position of Rahu in the different signs, there are various names given to this yoga, like Vasuki Kalasarpa Yoga, Takshak Kalasarpa Yoga. So various name has been given to signifying that type of energy. As this yoga is formed due to illusion, so only truth can break this yoga. So by doing Mahavidya, which is the remover of Avidya, this can be addressed. So friends, I will give you step by step method by which we can able to break this yoga. As it is an illusion, so the planet present in the first and seventh house in a birth chart can break this yoga. Because first house is the entrance to this world, which is a truth, and seventh house is the exit from the world, which is another truth. So the planet present in the first and seventh house axis can break this yoga. Next, planet present with Rahu and Ketu also can break this yoga because they are making the illusion. If there is no planet either in first and seventh house or between Rahu and Ketu, then the two gurus, Jupiter and Venus, can break this yoga. So it is the step-by-step method by which you need to analyze a birth chart and suggest what type of Mahavidya they will do. Friends, remember a thing, that if a benefic break this yoga, then the experience is very good. If a malefic, then the experience is very, very tough. Malefic present in that houses, they are not allow us to get out of this yoga. The maturity age of this yoga is around 40 years. But before that, they fail a lot, and a little amount of success is only, we can say, they can get a little amount of success. So by doing the Mahavidya, which is the remover of avidya, we can get out of this Kalasarpa yoga. So various Mahavidya, according to our planets, we will suggest to do. For Sun, we can say that Matangi Mahavidya. For Moon, Bhuvaneshwari Mahavidya. For Mars, Bagalamukhi Mahavidya. For Mercury, Tripura Sundari Mahavidya. For Jupiter, Tara Mahavidya. For Venus, Kamalatmika Mahavidya. For Saturn, Dakhina Kalika Mahavidya. For Rahu, Chirna Masta Mahavidya. And for Ketu, Dhumavati Mahavidya. These are all Mahavidyas, which are removers of avidya, which are the removers of illusion. So, friend, we must suggest that person having this Kalasarpa or Kalamrita yoga to go to a guru who has the proper knowledge to guide the native to do this Mahavidya. Proper guidance is really required. If you are not experienced, then you tell that you need to go to a guru who is having this knowledge. Because these are all Mahavidyas. So a certain amount of knowledge is required to doing this Vidya. Friends, let's see how to do this in a horoscope. As I told, presently this Kalasarpa yoga is formed. The time when I am making this video, the Lagna is Karkata Lagna, Cancer sign, Cancer Lagna, and Mars, Jupiter and Saturn, these three planets in the 7th house. Hence, these three planets can able to break this yoga. But the most benefic is Jupiter. So we can suggest Tara Mahavidya to get out of this, to break this Kalasarpa yoga. Next, see the planet conjoining with Rahu and Ketu. Moon is the only planet presently conjoining with Rahu, and it is the bright half moon, and moon is a benefic at this point of time. So we can suggest Bhuvaneshwari Mahavidya also. If in a chart there is not a single benefic available to break this yoga, then we can suggest Tara Mahavidya, as Jupiter is the most benefic planet. Friends, when we are addressing Kalasarpa yoga, we must ask the native to do Tara Mahavidya. So Jupiter is able to handle the Kalasarpa yoga. Whereas Venus Mahavidya, we can prescribe, or we can say the native will do Venus Kamalatmika Mahavidya for Kal Amrit Dosa. So basically these two dosa, for Kal Sarpa Dosa, Tara Mahavidya, for Kal Amrit Yoga, Venus Mahavidya, we can suggest. So you need to analyze the chart properly to know the dosa in a chart. There are basically four type of dosa we are seeing in a chart. First is Kal Sarpa and Kal Amrit Yoga. Second is curse in a chart. Third is Badhaka in a chart. Fourth is planet in the Maran Karak Sthana. These four things we need to analyze in every chart and suggest what to do. Basically, there are two procedures to see a chart. One is to see this dosa. These are permanent nature. These are permanent dosa in a chart. Another one is the temporary problem. Like we are not getting a job. This is a temporary problem and we can suggest you will do these things. And these are the permanent things we need to address so that the soul problem can be addressed. Friends, you must visit the website of Sri Garuda of Vistri Larsenji, where he has beautifully explained all these things. What I presented is a part of that knowledge only. And it is my understanding. It is my understanding of that knowledge. So friends, do visit his website. He has given a number of examples how this yoga is formed. Kal Sarpa Yoga and Kal Amrit Yoga. This particular yoga will activate in a particular age in a person's life and last for 12 years. He has given beautiful examples. But friends, by doing these simple things, you will able to address the Kal Sarpa Yoga and Kal Amrit Yoga in a chart. Without suggesting, this is the step-by-step procedure from tradition. Jupiter and Venus are real gurus because they can able to remove the illusion. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheswara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Sri Guruve Namah. Because Guru is all. Guru is all. So Guru can remove all our negativity, all our problems. But we need to do the Mahavidya of a particular Guru, either Tara Mahavidya or Kamalatmika Mahavidya. If in the chart we are having Kala Sarpa Dosa, then we will suggest that you will do Tara Mahavidya. If it is a Kal Amrit Yoga, we will suggest Kamalatmika Mahavidya. Friends, the Kal Sarpa and Kal Amrit Yoga, which is formed in a chart, is a permanent type of dosa in a chart. So this need to be addressed primarily so that the person can enjoy the whole life. Otherwise, he will always suffer. He will get a little amount of success and a major part of failure in his life. But this, if we are able to address this yoga, then he will definitely enjoy the total part of this life. If you like this video, then do like and subscribe my channel. Thanks.